Hello, good morning, my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are very good, fit, and fine. Today we are going for exercise solution of the Excel exercise solution of Rip Van Winkle, because in last session we was already talking about this whole story. Okay, now we are going to fill up this all questions answer related to Rip Van Winkle in your book. Okay, fun with the new words. So you already discussed, you already know about all the meanings of these words. So start with the first one. Idled away. So what is the meaning of idled away? The person who wastes something in any time, that is the meaning of idled away. So the answer is wasted. Constant means steady. Companion means any partner, or you can say that any friend. Realize means to understand. Descent means to move down. Barrel means a wooden container. Content means the ingredients. Okay, so this is the first question. Now second one, match the following in the box with their meaning. Okay, so here the lower part of the mountain, we already know that the lower part of the mountain, that is called a foothill. Now second one, with the gray hair. So with the gray hair, that is a black white color of hair, that is a beard of that Rip Van Winkle's, that person who made them at a mountain. So that is a grizzle beard. Okay, to rock gently, familiar. To be very surprised, stroked. To know to you, that is astonished. Okay, so now let's read here. See whether the following sentence is true or false. Rip was kind to the children. Yes, they very kind to the children, because they always play with him, like they have to practice in them about kites, how to flying a kites, and also how to playing a marbles. Okay, so first one the sentence is true. Rip was hardworking man. No, he was a lazy man. So false. Okay, now second one. In second one, the short man, old man on the mountain was his constant companion. Was his constant companion? No, the constant companion is the wolf. That is his dog. Okay, so false. Rip helped the old man on the mountain because he wanted to have a drink from a barrel. No, he don't want to have drink the barrel, but the person who made him that immediately gave to drink to a Rip Van Winkle. Okay, so false. Now fifth one, Rip was away for 20 years because he was asleep on the mountain. Yes, that is true. The drink from the barrel made him a fall asleep for 20 years. That is true. Nobody recognized Rip when he came back from, because he had reached the wrong village. No, he not went to the wrong village, but he actually come in the same village where he lived. But after 20 years, no one recognized, and that village he did not reach at the wrong village. So your answer is false here. Now complete the following sentences. Rip village was situated at the foothills of Catskill Mountain. Okay, the children of the village loved him because he played with them and told them stories. Now was his constant companion? Who was constant companion? Wolf the dog. Okay, now the villagers stared at him because they could not recognize him. Okay, the old woman who recognized Rip was his neighbor. Okay, now after this we are going to our next one, that is let's write work in groups of 4. Okay, so what were the strange things about the man on the mountain? So you have to write 4 different sentences on the person who made Rip Van Winkle at mountain. So they all were dressed the same way. They all had beard of various shapes and colors. Their faces were very serious. They were completely silent. Okay, now after this move on to next page number 89 here. On page number 89, what kind of Rip Van Winkle? So we know that he was very kind neighbor. He was ready to help anyone. He loved children and told them stories. He was lazy man. Now vocabulary building, pick up out the sentence of the game mentioned in the story. So the different games are mentioned in the story, like flying kites, 9 pins, sitting marble, mountain climbing. Okay, now question number 2, sometime we join 2 words to make a describing words. For example, Rip was a good natured man. Everybody liked him. Okay, so here are some more describing words. Use them to complete the given paragraph. Okay, so we have to reference this all the words which are given in the box and complete this fill in the blank. So Mrs. Das has a part-time job in the clothes shop. Yesterday an odd-looking woman walked into the shop. She was wearing high heel shoes. A well-dressed dog was with her. I want a long sleeve shirt for my dog, please, she said. For your dog, ask Mrs. Das open-mouthed in surprise. Yes, replied the woman. I want him to be sweet-looking for my next party. तो यहाँ पे एक गर्ल, एक मिसेस दास होती है जो जिनकी शॉप होती है कपड़ों की. वहाँ पे एक लेडी आती है जिनके पास एक कुत्ता होता है और कुत्ते के ऊपर बहुत ही अच्छा ड्रेस पहना हुआ होता था. ठीक है, हाई हील की वुमेन होती है वो, जो बहुत ही हाई हील के जूते पहन के आती है और उनसे कहती है कि प्लीज़ हम मेरे कुत्ते के लिए कपड़े बताओ. तो मिसेस दास एकदम से क्या होती है, सरप्राइज हो जाते हैं. ठीक है, सरप्राइज हो जाते हैं और ओपन माउथ. ठीक है, फिर कहती है कि वो कहती है कि हाँ मेरे कुत्ते के लिए कपड़े चाहिए फॉर माई डॉग बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट टू स्वीट लुकिंग फॉर माई नेक्स्ट पार्टी. उसे मुझे मेरे दूसरे पार्टी के अंदर बहुत ही स्वीट लुक दिखाना है. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, साइलेंट लेटर्स. व्हाट इज कॉमन इन द फॉलोइंग ग्रुप्स ऑफ वर्ड्स. यहाँ पे जो भी साइलेंट वर्ड्स है उसे हमें शो करना है. सो फर्स्ट वन, नी, नाइफ, नॉट, नो. So K is silent here. Neighbor, daughter, fight, street. So G is silent here. Honest, honor, our here. Okay, so H is silent here. Try and make more silent letters here. Net. So here G is silent. So make some more related here. Rock, grow, tongue, fatigue, chalk, talk, fog, whistle, nasal, bustle. Okay. Now question number 4, read two paragraphs given below. So from the reference of this paragraph we have to fill up this question's answer. First one, now find the opposites of the following words. So opposite of wake up, that is go to sleep. Get up, that is fall asleep. Lazily, that is a quickly. Okay. Now second one, fill in the blanks using the words in the previous question. So in the morning we have to wake up and get up quickly. You will be late for school. Okay. So the baby sleep, don't make a sound or she will wake up. Are you still awake? You should be sleep now or you will be not be able to catch up in the morning for school. Okay, now let's talk here. Question number 1 you have to do yourself. Now question number 2, read the speech bubbles. Who walk to school most often, push them in order. So जो सबसे नज़दीक होगा वहाँ से हमें स्टार्ट करना है कि किसका घर स्कूल से बहुत नज़दीक है और किसको बहुत दूर से स्कूल में आना पड़ेगा. सो जिसका नज़दीक है उसको हम पहले लिखेंगे और जो दूर है उसको हम लास्ट लिखेंगे. तो फर्स्ट का आएगा आई ऑलवेज वॉक टू स्कूल. आई लाइव अपोजिट ऑफ द स्कूल, वो सामने ही रहता है. ठीक है, फिर नज़ीम, सेकंड वन हम नज़ीम का लिखेंगे. थर्ड वन हम मिनी का लिखेंगे. फोर्थ वन हम अनु का लिखेंगे और फाइव वन हम जॉन का लिखेंगे. सो ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट अवर टुडेज सेशन. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू एंडिंग हियर. बाय बाय, टेक केयर.